Hi everyone. This is my submission for the Kiro Day 4 challenge. The challenge was simple. Start with just one sentence and let Kiro Specs do the rest. My one-sentence prompt was, build an AI agent that monitors my downloads folder and automatically organizes new files into categorized folders. That single sentence is all it took. Kiro generated the full spec, designed the architecture, and planned every implementation task, then I followed the plan to build it. I didn't create any planning documents or architecture diagrams. I entered only this single sentence into Kiro Spec Mode. Kiro automatically generated the complete project specification, including the requirements, design, and implementation tasks inside the .kiro folder. After that, I implemented the application by following the generated task list step by step. This workflow kept development structured and ensured that the implementation stayed aligned with the generated specification throughout the project. Before writing any code, I made my first Git commit containing the original Kiro-generated .kiro specification without any modifications, exactly as required by the challenge. Then I simply followed the generated task list to implement the application step by step until I had a working MVP. Before I execute the project, you'll notice that all folders in my downloads directory are in a collapsed state for in the folder. Open it and run the application to demonstrate the working app built from the Kiro-generated specification. Since my downloads folder contains many files from images outside, check the application to run in the terminal to type the command Python organize_downloads.py. Now run the project to demonstrate that it works. Can see clean and organized view. Thank you for watching.